Method of finding a 3-digit number given some conditions. First one, given that the sum of the digits. Second one, when the digits are interchanging, if it is greater or less than the first number. Third one, the difference between these two numbers is divisible by 9. And proceed me. First one, remember the solution to determine the inequalities. That 3t is greater than 12. That is, t is greater than 12 by 3 equal is 4. Therefore, the expected value of t is all the numbers, all the integers more greater than 4, that is 5, 6, 7, etc. Again, another one, 2t minus 7 is greater than 11. Therefore, 2t is greater than 11 plus 7 is greater than 18. That is, 2t is greater than 18, t is greater than 18 by 2. That is, t is greater than 9. Therefore, the expected values of t is greater than 9. That is, or the expected value of t is all the integers greater than 9. Then we know that t is 10, 11, etc. Note that x, y, z are the digits of a 3-digit number in 100th place, 10th place and unit place respectively. Then the number is 100x plus 10y plus z. And also the sum of the digit is x plus y plus z equal to k. That is equation number 6. When the digits are interchanging in such a way, the unit place goes to the 100th place, and 100th place goes to 10th place, and 10th place goes to unit place. We get a number which is greater than the first one, say m. Therefore, the second number 100z plus 10x plus y is greater than m for the first number. Then there are difference 100z plus 10x plus y minus 100x plus 10y plus z equal to m. That is 90x minus 9y equal to m. This is a condition. This equation is, or that their difference is always dividing by 9. Therefore, 11z minus 10x minus y equal to n, where m by 3 equal to n. Equation number 2. Eliminating y between equation 1 and 2, we get 12z minus 9x equal to n plus k. N plus k equal to p, say, dividing throughout by 3, that is, or their difference of this equation is completely divisible by 3, that is 4z minus 3x equal to q, where q equal to p by 3. Equation number 3. Again, we can easily find out. We can see that z minus q equal to 3t. Then z equal to 3t plus q, where z is always greater than 0, therefore 3t plus q is greater than 0. That is, 3t is greater than minus q, therefore t is greater than minus q by 3, equal that is, t is greater than r, where r equal to minus q by 3. Then we take the value of t is greater than r. Since r is an integer, there we take in the value of t is also integer for satisfying in equation 3. Hence we can find x and y with the help of equation 1. A 3-digit number, the sum of the digits is 12. When the digits are interchanging in order, the unit place goes to 100th place, 100th place goes to 10th place, and 10th place goes to unit place. Get a number which is 189 more than the first number. Find the number. That x, y, z are the digits in the 100th place, 10th place and unit place respectively. Therefore, the number is 100x plus 10y plus z, expression A. And the sum of the digits is given, that is x plus y plus z equal to 12, equation number 1. When the digits are interchanging, get a number, that is unit place goes to 100 place, 100 place goes to 10th place, and the 10th place goes to unit place. Then the number is 100z plus 10x plus y, expression number B. This is the second number. When their difference are given, that is the second number is greater than the first number, therefore their difference is 19, that means B minus I. 99 z minus 90x minus 9y equal to 189, dividing throughout by 9. 11 is at minus 10x minus y equal to 21. Equation number 2. Eliminating y between 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2, get 12 is at minus 9x equal to 21 plus 12, that is 33. Dividing by, that is dividing by 3, that is 4 is at minus 3x equal to 11, equation number 3. Then we can frame an equation Therefore, z minus 11 equal to 3t. Then z equal to 3t plus 11. Since z is greater than 0, that is a positive integer, therefore 3t plus 11 is greater than 0, that is 3t is greater than 11 minus 11, that is t is greater than minus 11 by 3, that is t is greater than minus 3. Therefore, t takes the values, all values greater than minus 3, that t is minus 2, minus 1, 1 etc. Then we know that z equal to 3t plus 11 when t equal to minus 2, then z equal to 3 into minus 2 plus 11, that is z equal to 5. Substitute these values in equation 3, that is 4z minus 3x 11, that is 20 minus 3x equal to 11, that is 9 equal to 3x, or therefore x equal to 9 by 3 equal to 3, x is 3. Substitute the value of z and or x and z in equation 1, get 3 plus 5 plus y equal to 12. Therefore, 8 plus y equal to 12. Therefore, y equal to 4. Then the number is 100 into x plus 10 into y plus z. Therefore, the number is 100x plus 3y plus z is 100 into 3 plus 10 into 4 plus 5, that is 300 plus 40 plus 5, that is 345.